Good morning, welcome to Hidden Meadow Farm. Today we're going to just take the camera along and show you some things that we're going to do. We got the fence stretcher here. We're going to unload that. Then we're going to pick up old blue Caden's golf cart at Mammy and Papa's house and do a few errands around town. Then we're going to come back this afternoon and do some work on the fence. We're going to unload this this fence stretcher. If you're not subscribed to our channel, I ask you to go hit the subscribe button. Follow along as we tackle life here at Hidden Meadow Farm. Hey buddy, what are you doing, little man? Now that I got the fence stretcher hooked up, I'm going to change a couple of things out on it. Now the way this works, this swinging arm here, that clamps the wire in. The wire will go on this hole here through the middle of the roll. Then I have these, what they are for. This right here, the guy that owns it, he uses an impact wrench to tighten it. I don't like taking an impact wrench charger down in the field, so I just use the manual ones. So I'm going to take those out, get those out, get the manual bolts back in, and then we'll go load this thing up with some wire. Got some nice help over there. Ranger? What are you doing, buddy? Huh? You being lazy? It's time for a nap. Look like you time for a nap too, huh? Yeah. that I got the wire onto the wire stretcher, got it all ready to go. Think I'll go gather up. It's been a while since I've done any fence work, so I've got to go gather up some more tools. I'm going to gather those up and probably get my chainsaw. I have a tree right down there by that pine tree. There's a little, I don't know exactly what kind it is, but anyway, I have that tree down there. Thinking about cutting that tree and getting it out of the way, because if I don't, it's gonna be in the way of my fence. If not now, later. So I think I'll go get the chainsaw, come back, cut that tree down. Then we're gonna get started stretching fence. Caden and I cleaned this fence row off last end of the summer last year. And it's still pretty clean. We got a few little limbs to pick up along the way. But this is the fence row that we're going to put the new field fence on. And this is the tree right here that I think I need to cut. Just try to get it out of the way. I don't know if it'll work, but anyway, we'll give it a try. This will probably be the end of this video for today. We've got a lot more work to do, a lot more filming that I'm going to do. But just come along, follow us. This is just gonna be a vlogs. Caden's out for spring break, just doing some work around the farm, things that we wanted to do. I'm on my days off at work, so it's turning out good for both of us. Hope you enjoy this videos, following along. Ask you to please like, share, subscribe, follow along as we try to get things in shape here at Hidden Meadow Farm. Glad it's springtime, glad the sun's shining.
Well, life on the farm's kinda laid back, ain't much an old country boy like me can't hack. Early to rise, early in the sack, thank God I'm a country boy. Well, a simple kind of life never did me no harm.